How to send disappearing photos and videos on Snapchat. Here's how. Initially open the Snapchat app on your mobile device. By default, Snapchat will open the camera screen. You tap the capture button to take a photo or hold the capture button to record a video. Once your snap is ready, tap the blue arrow in the bottom right corner to proceed to the sending screen. However, if you want to send disappearing photos and videos on Snapchat, click on the timer icon to adjust the time limit. Here you can choose a time limit between 1 second to 10 seconds, but make sure not to choose no limit as it allows the receiver to save the snap in the chat. Once you have selected the time limit, go back and make sure everything looks good. Hit the blue arrow to send your snap. Finally, your snap will be deleted after the time limit you set has expired. Now you know how to send disappearing photos and videos on Snapchat.